In this video, we'll quickly show you how to assign travel delegates in Navan, an essential feature for businesses looking to streamline travel management and ensure the right people have the access they need. Stick with me until the end, because not only will I walk you through this process, but I'll also reveal a special offer for a completely free version of the software with exclusive bonuses that you won't want to miss. If you're new to Navan, it's a powerful tool that simplifies corporate travel booking and management, making it easy to keep everything organized. The ability to assign travel delegates is crucial for organizations with multiple people involved in the booking process. Whether you're assigning a colleague to book a flight or set up a hotel for you, this feature ensures that the right person can make those travel arrangements on your behalf. To assign travel delegates in Navan, start by logging into your Navan account. Once you're in, go to your profile settings, and under the Travel Settings tab, you'll see an option to manage delegates. Click that option, and you'll be taken to a screen where you can add users as delegates. Here you can search for specific employees by name, making it easy to assign someone who will handle your travel arrangements. You can give delegates permission to make bookings for you, modify travel plans, or even handle expenses. This flexibility is key for large teams who need the freedom to manage travel logistics without requiring approval at every step. One of the best parts of Navan's delegate feature is that it integrates seamlessly with your company's travel policy. This ensures that whoever is assigned as a delegate is still bound by the organization's travel rules, so you don't have to worry about overspending or deviating from the company's guidelines. It's important to remember that delegates can also be set with different levels of access. You may want someone to only book flights, while others are authorized to manage everything, including accommodations and expenses. This level of control helps businesses stay organized and avoid confusion. Now, if you want to keep things streamlined, you can also set recurring delegates. This is especially helpful if you have regular business trips or recurring meetings that require the same people to handle your bookings each time. Simply designate them, and they'll automatically be able to manage your travel without having to reassign them each time. This is a quick and easy way to delegate travel tasks, making your team more efficient and saving time for other critical work. And because Navan is designed to work for businesses of all sizes, you can scale this process as your organization grows. By now, you can see how the Assign Travel Delegates feature in Navan can simplify travel management for you and your team. If you're interested in trying it for yourself, you can use Navan for completely free by clicking the first link in the description below. Plus, with our exclusive bonuses, you'll be able to unlock even more value from this tool. So make sure to grab that extended free trial today and start using Navan to optimize your business travel experience.